In this video, we are going to talk about the 5 things to do in Fresno, California. So before starting this video, please like this video and subscribe to our channel for future updates. Discover Fresno's surprises, from miles of flowering orchards to an ancient underground garden. Fresno, the largest city in the Central Valley of California, combines modern urbanism with enduring agricultural traditions. You'll discover places to visit like a cutting-edge zoo, chic eateries that use regional products, and clothes by farms where you can shop for the freshest and tastiest seasonal fruits. Here, the list of 5 things to do in Fresno, California. Let's start. Number 5. Explore Fresno Chaffee Zoo. The Fresno Chaffee Zoo is the place to meet fascinating animals from all around the world, up and personal, whether you've always wanted to pet a stingray or feed a giraffe. The zoo contains a number of naturalistic enclosures in the city's Roding Park, including the 13-acre African Adventure, where you can see elephants stomping over a savanna-like area and lions playing on stones. You may observe how zookeepers care for creatures like sloths, giraffes, and rhinos in special behind-the-scenes encounter, and you can even take part in training sessions with seals and sea lions. Number 4. Visit Forestier Underground Gardens. At the 10 acres sized Forestier Underground Gardens, you may explore underground tunnels, grottos, and yes, gardens that were meticulously excavated by Sicilian immigrant Baldassare Forestier over the course of 40 years beginning in 1906. The gardens resemble some ancient archaeological wonder that has been uncovered and rebuilt with its carved stone walls and beautiful arches. However, this state-designated property in California is still very much a working farm, complete with fruitful fruit trees and grapevines. Number 3. Woodward Regional Park. The vast park in Woodward has the feel of a traditional city park. In 1968, the city of Fresno's greatest park was established on land given by Ralph Woodward. Today, it encompasses more than 300 acres along the San Joaquin River's southern bank. There is something for everyone at the park. There are sidewalks for bicycling and strolling, lots of park benches for relaxing, well-kept lawns with picnic tables, and playgrounds for children. Within Woodward Park, there is a hidden gem called the Shinzen Friendship Garden. This tranquil Japanese garden was created by the Japanese-American community of Fresno to highlight their culture. It has a tea house, a bonsai garden, resident peacocks, a koi pond, a lot of vibrant plants, and picture-perfect views. It's a beautiful location to unwind and spend time in nature. The park has drinking fountains and restrooms and is kept in excellent condition. It's one of the fun activities to do with kids in Fresno. Number 2. See the scenic Fresno County Blossom Trail. This scenic drive is usually known for displays of fruit trees and wildflowers in spring. The Central Valley is the state's most agriculturally productive area. Each year, it produces an abundance of table grapes, citrus, tree fruits, nuts, and other crops. On its approximately 70-mile beautiful journey, the Fresno Blossom Trail travels past some of the region's most vibrant orchards. Take a self-guided tour by car or bicycle to see the lovely wildflowers, fruit trees in blossom, and cherry trees. Observe the beautiful pink, white, and orange hues. It's a fantastic visual pleasure. Along the way, there are rest stops where you can stop for a peaceful stroll or a photo opportunity against the gorgeous backdrop of the blossoming trees. Number 1. Yosemite National Park. Yosemite National Park is known for its breathtaking views of sheer granite cliffs, vast expanses of forest covered in enormous trees, and spectacular waterfalls. See eerie vistas of famous sites including Yosemite Valley, Half Dome, and Yosemite Falls from Glacier Point, accessible by car late May through November. Discover the park's other attractions, such as El Capitan, Bridal Veil Falls, and the breathtaking Tuolumne Meadows. Allow someone else to drive when going to the park and use the Yosemite Area Transportation System, YARTS, a fixed route, regularly scheduled public transportation system that is available all year long. YARTS transports visitors into Yosemite, where they can safely take in the view from a comfortable, air-conditioned vehicle. That's it for today. We hope you found our video interesting. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up and share it with others. Also, if you haven't already, please consider subscribing to our channel. Don't forget to turn on the notification bell so you don't miss any of our new uploads. In the end, thanks for watching and see you next time.